So guys, this is Auntie P again. Wagwan. Auntie P in the kitchen today. We're doing jerk chickpea burger. So this is gonna be so filling and nice for you guys. Just to make it nice and tasty, we have the chili powder, cumin, black pepper, and salt, allspice, and thyme. Here comes the danger, sent by the savior. Welcome the Rasta youths. I start recruit soldiers. We have sweet pepper, we have carrots, cilantro, that's the same as coriander. We have purple onions, and we have the garlic and jalapeno. Also with our olive oil and our seasoning. Guys, so we're sauteing it now. We have to get that nice tasting jerk sauce in it. So we have to spin it around, saute it in the pot for about 5 minutes. And after that, we have that spice all blended in. Soldiers coming from near and far by choose, executing. Selassie works and the Rastafari true. And them say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger, sent by the savior. Welcome the Rasta youths. I'm gonna start recruit soldiers for Selassie army. Aye. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the savior, welcome the Rasta youths. You're not for axes who are the general issue in a warning boy. Waving the banner red, green and gold. Moving along guys, we have the blending process where if you have a fruit processor it would be so much easy, but we do this scoop by scoop in getting everything to go together. Can't sit down, Jaja send me fi work. Bring the fire in a round, Jaja send me fi purge. But I can't do it alone. Okay guys, this is our part now where we bind the burger together. If you notice, it is still loosely, so we can use some flour or we use our breadcrumbs and our oats to get it bind together. So guys, it's in the oven, so you can do it to your likings and your color, to how you want it. It's for 20 minutes. So guys, tell me how you like your jerk chickpea burger. It is filled with protein, calcium, iron, potassium. It is so filling. So guys, tell me how you like this one and leave a comment below, and you can tell me what you like in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Here comes trouble, my friend, and here comes danger. Rastafari send me come. I said we're sent by the Savior. Here comes trouble, my friend.